Peer group agent of socialization. The third agent of socialization is peer groups. Peer groups is a social group of people of the same age group. In this case, it can be friends of an individual at home, school, or any other place. Peer groups begin during the early childhood stage of a person and continue in teenage and then adulthood, for instance with workmates. It is argued that more creative learning happens in peer groups. As compared to the family and in class, a person is exposed to meaningful learning, which is important in life, social development, and social identity. Peers are also among influential agents of socialization. This is why a person tends to share the social characteristics of their peers. The goodness of peer groups in the socialization of an individual as a member of society is that it provides a person, particularly adolescents, the first major socialization experience outside the realm of their families. They also provide a good adjustments and transition from childhood to adolescence or adulthood. In this way, they are important to adolescents in a new way, as they begin to develop an identity separate from their parents and exert independence. They learn knowledge about adolescence which they may not possibly learn from their families or teachers. Additionally, peer groups provide their own opportunities for socialization, since children usually engage in different types of activities with their peers than they do with their families. However, the major disadvantage of peer groups that families and society cries about is negative peer pressure. If the child or an individual is a peer group that exhibits some form of delinquency such as drug abuse, theft, prostitution, violence, or other forms of deviance, there is a high likelihood that an individual may adopt such delinquent behavior, since peer groups have a major influence on the social development of an individual. Thus, it may be said that peer groups may greatly perpetuate deviance and delinquency in the society. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.